YouTubers. We're cleaning up where the collar is going to go. You can see how off it is because it's flashing at you. This is an hour later from the last chapter. It took a long time to get this thing set up. First indicated it there, then indicated it there, then indicated it here, then indicated it there. Machinist level on the top, machinist level here to make sure the bubble was off at the same exact amount. And just back and forth, back and forth. Dial indicator down the top, dial indicator in the side. Check this, check that, and it's running, it's within a 0.5 of an inch. So like I said, this is going to just take a long time. But you can see how bonkers it was right there. And I don't know if you can see in the movie, I don't really want to touch anything. The top is running where the blade runs is in this end part right here. I don't think you can see that moving. It's moving 3 thousandths? About 3 thousandths.
2.5, it's 5 total.
Okay, 2.5. But you got to have room to put that blade on, because if they make your blade center right on 2, then you would never get the 2 together. It didn't clean up on that cut either, did it?
It probably did. I think what you're seeing is the Woodruff keyhole.
Oh, okay.
That was a 5 thousandths cut.
5 thousandths of an inch. Yeah, I think that might be the Woodruff keyhole.
I want to get it back to the end and recut the shoulder back here, because this probably is not very good either. So I'll undercut that just a hair so you get a good square shoulder.
Just takes a lot of time.
The worst part is we have to take this out.
Yeah, I know.
Make the collar, put it back in here. And set it up again.
Why does it got to be set up again?
Because we're going to lose our setup.
Well, I mean,
take this out to get this down there
to bore the hole.
You can't bore it on that roadway.
But then why do we got to put this back in here?
Well, you got to cut the face and all the.
Oh, yeah. Okay, never mind.
We got to cut the
yeah, I'm with you. After we get the collar on, we got to make the collar right, face the collar.
Yes.
So everything we got here, but it should be fairly close. It's got, oh, that's where those keys were. That looks pretty good.
We can't take all that out or we won't have any lip.
I know it.
We're probably going to have to leave it alone where it is. I'm just going to true this up back here. Doesn't matter if we make the collar a hair wider.
No.
It won't push you that much towards the benches.
No.
But I want a good square corner back here.
Right, I agree with you.
So the way to get that to undercut that a hair and then bring it out. And there you go. Here's your shoulder.
You gonna emery it?
Yep, the crankshaft polisher.
Crankshaft. Oh, get the crankshaft polisher. You got to see this crankshaft polisher. I think you might have been here. He made this thing. He's got to put a belt on there and polish that. He made this. Jeffrey made this thing here too. The steady wrist. He made that all from leftover parts. We've showed that before. This is little lock. This is the turn. All the little wheelie diggies in there. He made that crankshaft polisher to do that engine while we're down here kind of walking around. Oh, did you bring your belt? You remember which way the arrow is supposed to go?
This one's not an arrow. It's a non-directional belt. We need a 9/16 round.
Well, he's getting 960. Oh, you want me to hold it?
Try to center it as good as you can.
The tightening procedure. Push.
That's all it takes.
What tone was that? What note does that have to be? Sand note?
Yeah. Something like that.
Got to change the electrical leash. Now he's going to polish it. You want to do where the blade goes? Looks pretty good. Hear that? The balancers, they put little lead weights in, like shot, and there's a, you can't, there it is. And they go click, they fall back and forth. So now you measure it and take it out, huh? Write it down.
This is probably, without a doubt, all right on. So,
That should be what, 2 1/8 there? What's the shaft? 2 1/4.
that's right, Mike. Now where's them holes?
Right where you don't want them.
No, we're good. Well, it lathed off nice and straight.
Give me the digitals. Mine, I got
Inch 121, inch 21.9.
anyway.
21.9.
We got to now take.
Call the shaft inch 22.
We can always measure that again. That ain't a problem. We can measure that 100 times. This is the engine he's working on over here while we're here. This is a 440 Mopar. He just put 4-bolt mains in it. And he put, these are, what, 24 karat gold freeze plugs?
Brass.
24 karat, you said?
Brass.
24 karat?
Yeah, okay. They must not have been too good. Another guy gave them to me.
Oh, Lordy. Anyhow, that's it for this chapter. We're sitting there measuring.
Don't let this happen to you.
Yeah, don't let this happen to you. We'll come back when we start boring out the collar. Over and out. Hit the bell icon if you want to see the next chapter. We're trying not to leave making any mysteries. So thanks for stopping by.